Hey there, this is Veronica, your independent Pampered chef consultant. Welcome to my kitchen. I am doing another stir fry using my non-stick stainless steel wok. I love this pan, and I'm using the Jamaican jerk seasoning that I had put on some boneless chicken thighs that I thawed, and I cut them up into just chunks and generously coated them with the Jamaican jerk seasoning and let them sit for the afternoon in that seasoning in the fridge. So now I'm frying them up, and I'm getting ready to, I'm just going to add in what I have on hand again, some vegetables, and I'm thinking I might try some coconut milk, like a little sauce. So I don't know, this is purely experimental, but we'll see how it comes out. Some broccoli and some green onions, and now I'm zooming in and sear it. I'm going to go with the mustard side. Also slice some mushrooms, so green onions, broccoli, carrots, mushrooms, and some red pepper. And I'll put some pineapple tidbits. Easy it is to get carrot strips with a julienne peel. This is probably a 3-piece peel set. It's one of my favorite little items. I am going to go ahead and add in these vegetables. Now I'm going to add a little more of this Jamaican jerk seasoning to the vegetables. I just fallen in love with this seasoning right now. I think it's one of my favorites. Got coconut oil, and I'm just sauteing the vegetables until they get soft. I have mushrooms, which I'll add in. What's this thing like? Oh, that smells amazing. Oh my god. Oh, this is going to make a nice, the vegetables are really absorbing it, so it's going to be a nice sauce. I'm going to add in the chicken. Oh, this looks really good. This looks amazing. And I think it's ready to go and ready to be served over some rice. I'm adding some basil leaves. I think that is just going to really give it another kind of flavor. Just thinly slicing. Picked a few leaves and I stacked them one on top of the other, and I'm just thinly slicing them. Non-stick wok Jamaican jerk seasoning really makes the dish. So I'm going to be using that. I'm going to have to get myself a couple more bottles of this seasoning.